Guys, next another important topic is biosphere reserves. Biosphere reserves are the most important for the coming exam. Okay, what is biosphere reserve? Okay, what is biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve is a large area of terrestrial or coastal ecosystem that promote the conservation, biodiversity, research and sustainable development. They are under the Man and Biosphere, okay, MAB, Man and Biosphere, which is comes under UNESCO heritage sites. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss all over. Biosphere is nothing but it is the place where the terrestrial or like coastal ecosystem, okay, where the coastal ecosystem or terrestrial ecosystem that can be support biodiversity, that can be support the habitations, that can be support the ecosystems, that can be useful for the sustainable development. Okay, this is about biosphere, that is have particular unique features in that location to support all our species of biodiversity. Okay, they can support for the biodiversity either plants or animals like flora and fauna. Okay, yeah. Who can recognize it? Who can recognize Man and Biosphere is the organization, it can be recognized what is the biosphere or not. Okay, yes, and MAB, we can call it as MAB, Man and Biosphere. This is the important for exam. This is the important for exam. Yeah, MAB, Man and Biosphere. This is important for coming exam, guys. Yeah, okay. MAB, Man and Biosphere, it is the total biospheres in India. This is the most important in the coming exam. Government of India, which is included 12 included UNESCO sites, which is about 18, the total 18 biospheres, 12 are UNESCO World Heritage, World Network, Biosphere Network. UNESCO Biosphere Network comes under 12. Total in India, 18 biospheres are there. 18 biospheres are there in India. Among 18, there are 12 is comes under UNESCO Bioheritage. Okay, UNESCO Biosphere Network. Worldwide, there is a biosphere network. Under that biosphere networks, 12 are there from India. Okay, total in India, 18 in number. Okay. Man and Biosphere, MAB, okay, this is the organization which can be recognized Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere Reserve is the character that can be support biodiversity, that can be support a ecosystem, that can be unique feature for sustainable development. This is about the biosphere. Okay, I hope you guys understand this. Yeah. These are the places where the biosphere reserves are located. Cold desert, Ladakh. Cold desert is Ladakh. 18 biosphere reserves. 18 biosphere reserve. Guys, most important, there may be asked you in any exam this kind of questions. Okay, yeah, cold deserts, Ladakh, Nanda Devi, Himachal Pradesh, and Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Okay, yeah, Dehang Debang is Arunachal Pradesh, Manas is Assam. Okay, Dibru Sakhawa, Manipur, Nokrek like Manipur, Sundarban, West Bengal, Simlipal, Odisha, Amarkantak, Chhattisgarh, Pachmari, Madhya Pradesh, Penna, Madhya Pradesh, Kutch, Gujarat, and Sechachalam, Andhra Pradesh. Seshachalam, Andhra Pradesh. Nilagiri, Kerala. Okay. Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu. Agastyamalai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. And Great Nicobar from Andaman Nicobar. These are the locations biospheres reserves are located. Biospheres are the places they can support different kind of species of biodiversity. They can support ecosystem for sustainable development. That is the biosphere reserve. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys understand what are the biospheres are located in India. 18 total number of biospheres are 18 number biospheres. Under 12 are UNESCO World Heritage Network. 12 are UNESCO World Network. Okay. Yeah, this is the biosphere reserves in India. Okay. I hope you guys understand. Yes, Man and Biosphere is the organization. Man and Biosphere is the organization which they can recognize biospheres. Okay. Yes, this is the body of the UNESCO. This is the body of the UNESCO from 1971. It is established in the scientific base. Okay. This is the intergovernmental scientific program. Intergovernmental, they don't ask you this intergovernmental or not. It is developed from the UNESCO in 1971. Man and Biosphere, they can recognize the biosphere reserves in any country throughout the world. Okay. Yes. Yeah, what are the biospheres listed? I did take a map, right? So we are going to discuss individual biosphere. Okay. Yeah, they can ask you the year also. They might not ask you year. 1986 first biosphere. Okay. Nilagiri Biosphere. Nilagiri Biosphere. Nilagiri is the name term, like it is South India, where Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Western Ghats side, Nilagiri Biosphere. Okay. Western Ghats. The key fauna, mean what are the key animals or what? Okay. Key animals here, Nilagiri Tar, tiger, lion and lion tail macaque, not lion. Nilagiri Tar, lion tail macaque. Okay. These are the Nilagiri Biosphere which is located Western Ghats, where the place Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, and this is the biosphere which is 1986. 1986 it is located, like established. 1988 Nanda Devi Biosphere. 1988 Nanda Devi Biosphere. This is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is the Uttarakhand. Okay. Yes. This is Western Himalayas. Western Himalayas. Okay. Yeah. Snow leopard, Himalayan black bear. Okay. Black bear. Himalayan black bear and snow leopard is the key fauna here. Okay. Yeah. And 1988 Nokrek. This is Meghalaya, Eastern Hills, and red panda is the fauna. Red panda is the animal in this biosphere. And 1989 Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, it is dugong is the animal here. Okay. Yeah. 1989 Sundarban, West Bengal, Gangetic Delta, the place where Royal Bengal tiger is located. This is the biosphere. This is the biosphere name, state, type and species. They might ask you name and state is the most important, primary priority. Name and state, they can ask you the biosphere name and state. They can ask you the state name and biosphere name. Okay. Any type they can ask you state or bio. If they want more deep, they can ask you the animal type. First is what? Nilagiri Biosphere. Nilagiri means Western Ghats, South India, that is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand. Nokrek is the Meghalaya. Nokrek is the Meghalaya. And Gulf of Mannar is Tamil Nadu. Gulf of Mannar is Tamil Nadu. Okay. Sundarban is West Bengal. Sundarban is West Bengal. These are the biosphere reserves most important for the coming exam. Okay. Yes. Next, Yeah. Sixth one, Manas. Manas, Assam. Manas, Assam. It is eastern Himalayas, eastern hills. Assam roof. Okay, they might not ask you the Golden Lagur. Okay, yeah. Assam. Okay, Manas is the Assam. Okay, yeah. Great Nicobar Biosphere. This is of course Andaman Nicobar. Great Nicobar, nothing but Andaman Nicobar. And this is island, saltwater crocodile. Andaman Nicobar is allocated for the saltwater crocodile. Okay, yes. And Simlipal, Odisha. Simlipal, Odisha. And this is the Deccan Peninsula. Simlipal is Odisha, where Deccan Peninsula. Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh. Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern Himalayas, Mishmi and Muscadee. They might not ask you the like animals. Of course, you must know. They can ask you in that different kind of exam, the different kind of question. They might not ask you in the biosphere reserves, the place where the like sanctuaries, wildlife sanctuaries are the animals which is kind of animals for the particular state. Okay, that kind of questions also you have to come to know if you know the species comes under this like places. Okay, Dibri Saikova, Assam, Eastern Himalayas. Okay, yeah. Actually, white winged wood duck, water buffalo, these are the this. So Manas, Assam, Great Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar, Simlipal, Odisha, and Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh. The name is different, right? Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh. It is Chinese like name. Okay, where Arunachal Pradesh is associated with that country. Okay, Dibru Sakova, Assam. Okay, yeah, you have to find out the names. Biosphere, Great Nicobar, Manas, Assam. Okay, Assam is here. Assam is here. Assam, Manas, Assam, Dibru Saikova. Okay, yes. Next, Pachmarhi, Biosphere, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, yeah, this is flying squirrel. Okay, squirrel is there in the Madhya Pradesh, mostly forest is there, right? That is arid forest, deciduous forest is there in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Kanchenjunga National Park, which is Sikkim, Eastern Himalayas, Sikkim. Okay, Agastyamalai Biosphere Reserve. Okay, Kerala, Agastyamalai, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, both Agastyamalai. Achamkar, Amarkantak, okay, Biosphere, which is Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, both states. Of course, previously it is the one state. Okay, Makai Hills, okay, Maikal Hills are located in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Great Run of Kutch, Gujarat is there is a Run of Kutch is there, right? Desert place. This is the desert place. Indian wild ass and cold desert also Biosphere Reserve. The desert also they can support the certain species ecosystem. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Western Himalayas, snow leopard is there, Himachal Pradesh, where the cold desert as a Biosphere Reserve. So here Pachmarhi Biosphere, Madhya Pradesh, Kanchenjunga, Sikkim, Agastyamalai, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Amarkantak is Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and Great Run of Kutch is the Gujarat, and cold desert is the Himachal Pradesh. Just look into here. You have to remember. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And 17th one, Sechachalam Hills, Andhra Pradesh, Eastern Himalayas, slender iris. Yeah, Penna, Madhya Pradesh, moist deciduous forest, of course. Okay, Bengal tiger. Okay, Nilgiri, Sambar, deer, and sloth bear. Okay, you have to look into here. These are the 18 biosphere reserves are located in India. Okay, yeah, we are going to discuss each one detail. Okay, yes, I hope you guys understand here Just look into here. Yeah. Presently, there are 18 notified biosphere reserves in India, 12 are which recognized by UNESCO MAB, Man and Biosphere. Okay. Okay. Yes. And Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve. First, Nilagiri is down part of India where South state, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. This Western Ghat place is the Nilagiri place. Okay. Yes. Nilagiri is UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay. Yeah. It is under the UNESCO, recognized by UNESCO MAB. Okay. That is the network, Nilagiri Biosphere or UNESCO network. Okay. They don't ask you this, they can ask you UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is Western Ghats. Okay. Giant squirrel is the species. Okay. It is various tribes associated. They don't ask you tribes, but if you know, that is good. Okay. Malayan, they don't ask you Toda, Kotas. They don't ask you the tribes name here. There is a like demography in this like chapters, they can ask you the tribes name, but there is a different names. They can give you such a names are more popular names. Okay. In this way, they don't ask you. This is the UNESCO World Heritage Site where Nilagiri Biosphere, and it is located Western Ghats. The most prominent species here, giant squirrel. Okay. Guys, this is the keywords about Nilagiri Biosphere. Okay. Yes. Next, Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is the valley flowers. Of course, it is the beautiful place of the Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi Valley. Okay. Yeah, that is also biosphere. It is snow leopard is there. Of course, that is subtropical area. India, there is a subtropical area. Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himalayas are the subtropical area. Okay. Yes. Like it is, they can ask you valley place Nanda Devi National Park, and this is snow leopard is located. Okay. Yeah. Indo-Mongoloid Bhutia tribe is there. This is the important. Bhutia tribe or their special tribe in the Himalayas region. Okay. Bhutia tribe, it is the most important. Okay. That is they located in the Uttarakhand. Okay. Bhutia tribe. Okay. Yeah. And snow leopard is the place Nanda Devi. It is the valley of flower. Okay. Yes. And Naukrek Biosphere Reserve, it is evergreen semi-arid deciduous forest. Okay. Yeah, they don't ask you. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere, it is west coast of the Sri Lanka, west coast of the Sri Lanka where Tamil Nadu located, Gulf of Mannar. Okay. Yes. Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Sundarban is Royal Bengal tiger is located where? Bengal. Sundarban Biosphere is there, West Bengal. Okay. West Bengal is the place where the Bengal tiger. Okay. Royal tiger. The tribes are Munda, Santal. Okay. They don't ask you that. This is the Royal Bengal tiger where biosphere they can protect. Okay. That is Sundarban Biosphere in the Bengal. Manas Biosphere. Manas is located in the Assam. Okay. Manas located in the Assam. They won't ask you. Bengari Florican. Okay. They can protect. Bodo tribes. Garo Hills, Garo tribes. Yeah. Next. Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar nothing but Andaman Nicobar. This can be protect saltwater crocodile. It is a tropical wet evergreen forest. Okay. There is a park, Campbell National Park is there here. Okay. Yeah. Galathea National Park, National Park, Campbell National Park are there in the Andaman Nicobar. It is also important. Okay. Saltwater crocodile. Okay. Yeah. And Simlipal, Orissa. Simlipal nothing but it is the place Orissa. It is the elephant reserve is there. Elephant reserve. Okay. Yeah. Simlipal. Panchamarri Biosphere which is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Bori Wildlife Sanctuary is there, Madhya Pradesh. Satpura National Park is there, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Gond are the tribes. Okay, they don't ask you that, they can ask you the places. All Sanctuary National Park is there in the Madhya Pradesh associated with Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. And Kanchenjunga, of course this is Sikkim. Okay, third highest mountain peak is there in the Kanchenjunga. This is highest ecosystem biosphere reserve in India. This is two keywords here. And mixed World Heritage Site, this is also keyword. It is the natural UNESCO heritage site and cultural heritage site. It is the mixed heritage site. Mixed UNESCO heritage site. Mixed heritage site, UNESCO heritage site, mean there are heritage sites or cultural heritage sites and natural heritage sites are there. But it is mixed heritage site is Kanchenjunga. It is the highest peak ecosystem, okay, highest mountainous place. Okay, these are the keywords here. It is the keywords national parks, Satpura National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay, yeah. Next, Dibru Saktova Biosphere Reserve. This is the national parks also there in the Bengal. Okay, yeah, that is Assam actually, Assam. Dihang Dibang Biosphere, Dihang Dibang, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is Mauling National Parks also there in that Biosphere Reserve. Okay, major red panda. Red panda is the major species they can ask you. Okay, Dihang Dibang. Okay, this is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, this is Assam. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Next, Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve, Kerala and Karnataka, sorry, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Okay, yeah, Chendurni Wildlife Sanctuary is there, Peppara Wildlife Sanctuary is there, Neyar Wildlife Sanctuary is there, and Kalakat Mountain. Okay, Mundantrai. Then don't ask you. Fauna, Nilagiri Tar. This is important. Nilagiri Tar is the endangered species. This is the most important. Nilagiri Tar is the endangered species which is located in the which Biosphere Reserve? Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. They can support Nilagiri Tar, most important for exam. Previous they did ask. Okay, Nilagiri Tar is supported by which biosphere? Agasthyamala Biosphere, most important in the coming exam. Okay, this is endangered species. IUCN list endangered species. IUCN list I did give in the previous video. IUCN. What is IUCN? International Union for Nature and Natural Resources. Conservation for Nature and Natural Resources. I did given in the previous video. You have to check it. What are the kind of species are endangered, critically endangered, threatened and near threatened. I did mention in that video. That is important, guys. You have to follow that video. Okay, yeah, endangered species Nilagiri Tar is supported by the Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. This is the most important. This is the most important keyword for this Biosphere Reserve. Yeah, guys, 18 Biosphere Reserves, right? 12 are UNESCO Heritage Network. 12 are UNESCO Network. What are the 12? They can ask you. Okay, Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve 1. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve 1, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi and Nakrek, Pachmari, Simlipal, Orissa, Pachmari, Madhya Pradesh, Nakrek is there like Assam. This is Nanda Devi Nanda Devi, Uttarakhand, and Sundarban, Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, Tamil Nadu, and Nilagiri, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Okay, these are the important biosphere reserves. Okay, this is not correct, Meghalaya. Yes, and Great Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Agastya Malay, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Kanchenjunga, Sikkim, and Penna, Madhya Pradesh. These are the UNESCO World Network sites. These biosphere 12 are UNESCO network, under UNESCO network. They can ask you, among the 18 networks, 18 biosphere there in India, 12 are comes under UNESCO network. Okay, UNESCO Heritage Network. Okay, yes. Yeah. Biodiversity hotspots, tomorrow we will explain. 4 hotspots are there. Yeah, we will complete. Okay. Biodiversity hotspots in India, 4. Biodiversity, biosphere reserves are different. Biodiversity hotspots are different. Biodiversity hotspots are rich heritage. Rich heritage means there is a huge biodiversity. Okay, going to took place that area, particular area, rich heritage. Okay, yeah. What is biodiversity hotspot? Biodiversity hotspots is the region that exponentially rich in species, especially endemic species. Endemic mean they are located in that particular area only. They are located in their particular area only. Endemic mean. Okay, yeah. It is under threatened due to the habitat loss, human activity. Okay, guys. These hotspots, biodiversity hotspots, are the endemic, they supported endemic species, like the species are located in that particular region only, that can be affected by human activities or any other development activities. That is the places we can consider as biodiversity hotspots. Okay, yeah. There is a criteria, at least 1500 variety of species plants, and they lost at least 70% in original vegetation. There may be loss. That is the space we can consider as biodiversity hotspots. Okay, if they at least 1500 variety of species that can be lost 70%, we can confirm it is the biodiversity hotspot. This is the criteria we can recognize as biodiversity hotspots. Okay, yes. What are the 4 biodiversity hotspots are there in India? Okay, 4 are there in India. What are they? Location, Jammu Kashmir, this is the location, Himalayas 1, Indo-Burma, Western Ghats, Sri Lanka. Okay, yeah, Sundarland, Nicobar Island. Okay, Sundarland, Nicobar Island. Okay, Himalayas, this is the states Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, northeastern states are one biodiversity hotspot. Himalayas and Indo-Burma, Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, and Sundarland, Nicobar Island. Okay, yes, it is. Yeah, what is the speciality of Himalaya? First biodiversity hotspot, it is high altitude, rich biodiversity, alpine meadows, alpine trees are there, different kind of trees, leopards, red panda is there in that biodiversity hotspot. 4 biodiversity hotspots are there. First one is Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas are the states Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir and Sikkim, northeastern states. Okay, they can support red panda, leopards and alpine trees. Okay, yeah, that is high altitude, located at high altitude. Indo-Burma, especially northeastern states except Andaman Highlands. Okay, yeah, this is rich in amphibians, freshwater turtles, high endemic, shifting cultivation threat. Shifting cultivation is there mostly prominent, they can prevail at northeastern state, mostly shifting cultivation. Okay, yes. And Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, Western Ghats Sri Lanka also one of the biodiversity hotspot, that is Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Maharashtra, these states covered that hotspot. Okay. This is evergreen like Nilagiri Tar, lion-tailed macaque, this is evergreen forest. Endemic species are Nilagiri Tar, lion-tailed macaque. Okay. This is the Western Ghats, Sri Lanka biosphere, Indo-Burma and Himalayan and Sundarland, Nicobar. Sundarland, Nicobar, Nicobar Island and Andaman Island. This is Nicobaris tribes are there, marine biodiversity are there. Okay. Guys, these species, the places and biodiversity hotspots. This is the most important in the coming exam. Okay. I hope you guys understand this. You guys understand this. This is the topic I did cover here. This UNESCO World Heritage Biosphere Reserves and all over 18 biosphere reserves here, 18 biosphere reserves. Okay. You have to quick look into this. Okay. 18 most important guys for exam point of view. These are the biodiversity hotspots. These are the biodiversity hotspots, biosphere reserves and biodiversity hotspots. Today class is complete. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow I am going to give next new chapter. You have to follow the Chandu Biology. If you like my teaching, you have to like the like button and share this video for your friends. Thank you.